Hello traders, today is 20th of November, Friday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best for trade analysis and the result. Just before that, I would like to share one of my member this week performance, and he generated, let's see, customize, and Monday 16th of November 2020 and 20th. So if you see here, he generated 8,620 profit. This one, well done. And this is the live account, by the way. You can see all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast in our online trading floor. As you can see, he generated such a beautiful profit this week. So well done. So all right, so let's back to the analysis review, guys. So as you can see, just to recap, traders, these are the intraday analyses alongside with 4 hour analysis with a live audio commentary. This today is Friday. We haven't seen any volatility. Most of the pairs we see in a consolidation, but we manage because as an intraday traders, we just like 10, 20 pips or 15 pips max. That's what exactly we're looking into it. You can see here on pound yen this morning. We did this analysis. If you look at the price pattern, you can see the double top is developed the safest way, which we explained through live audio commentary to look for the breakout of the previous low. As you can see, the price nicely broken, and this was the, by the way, counter short trade, and we banked some profit here as soon as the price hit. And then we explained to trader that look for pullback here. So as I said to you, this is part of the intraday. We always look at any pattern develop, which you can see in probably another analysis later. So beautiful breakout, counter short trade on pound yen. Euro yen, pretty straightforward because we were watching in 4 hour, and based on that, price was at the major support resistance area. Let me share with you guys the 4 hour analysis just to explain to you how we do analyze in 4 hour and how we, if you look at here, we have 4 hour and we analyze it, and then we refine entries and exit here in intraday. So the price was at this level, as you can see here, priced nicely at the major resistance level, and the price was here. So we explained to trader, look for the breakout of this short trade if the price is going to break the previous low. So this was again as a counter short trade. This is the 200 EMA in intraday, as you can see here, priced nicely. And afterwards, we also announced this one on the pullback. So you can see still price is bearish. More likely, might going to break this triangle pattern. So this is what exactly, as I mentioned you, we analyze in high time frame, and then we refine entries and exit in intraday. And this system helps us to refine and pinpoint opportunities very quickly and effectively. So this was the analysis. As I mentioned, you can see price nicely broken. As you can see in the real market right now, the price almost hit around this level. So beautiful counter short trade on euro yen. Pound yen, as you can see, we already banked some profit here. And when the price was hovering it, and we look at the bottom momentum was bullish, so we instantly broadcast another analysis. We tell to the traders, bank some profit and look for the breakout or pullback, because the price was at the 200 EMA, and afterwards you can see here price nicely broken and develop a pullback based on the momentum. And as soon as the price hit, we bank another few more pips. So this is another intraday style, like from here to here, around about 15 pips. And pound dollar, as you can see here, the price developed another up channel, as mentioned on the analysis, and we explained through live audio commentary as well to if the price is going to develop respect this support, more likely we're looking along, because the price is above 200 EMA. As you can see, as soon as the momentum developed bullish and the price broken this one, we announced we'll take a long trade here. And as soon as the price hit uh, technically the first target, you can see the first whip channel, but also the resistance level, we announced to bank some profit on pound dollar. Euro pound, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Dollar CAD, beautiful triangle pattern breakout short trade. And pound Swiss franc, as you can see here, We explained to traders, look at, we were watching in 4 hour based on that. Again, we will see the price trap into this. We explain to details, and through live audio commentary, we explain, look, if the price is going to break this consolidation, then we should be taking a long, we should be taking a trade accordingly. As you can see, the price repeatedly respected the support area. This was the major support area in 4 hour, and as soon as the price broken, and you can see here, momentum was developed bullish and beautiful. And as soon as the price hit, you can see one, second, third, fourth time we explained to traders it's time to bank some profit. Beautiful breakout, long trade on pound Swiss franc. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. As you can see, the price developed another pattern and respected this support. We can see one, two, third touch. And the safest trade I explained to trader, if the price gonna break the recent high, beautiful breakout and long trade. Uh, Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. We have an up channel, and based on that, we explain any pullback would be considered high probability trade based on the momentum. And we explain this one through live ID commentary. A beautiful pullback long trade on Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar exactly is the same. Beautiful pullback long trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see here another beautiful breakout long trade. Pound Swiss franc, you can see we bank some profit, and as soon as the price revert, this is the New York session analysis, and we explained the guys look for the safest way to look for this trade. If the price gonna, as you can see, the price nicely respected 200 EMA, nicely broken as soon as the price hit. So you can see we managed to bank a few pips here and there, in intraday through intraday analysis. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all that analysis uh, in real time, well, with the trade updates, even if you don't have forex trading experience, don't worry. We also provide full forex coaching and training through this platform. Even if you are struggling it, this is the platform where you can see all that analysis and the details with the live audio commentary and opportunity. You can ask questions to analysts, and even if you are experienced trader and would like to bank this type of profit, most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend, guys, and I'll see you on Monday with another analysis. All the best.